what is a composite number? So a number other than 1 and not a prime number is called as composite number. Other than 1 and it should not be a prime number. Suppose 1/2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 4 is not a prime number, 5 is a prime, 6 is not a prime, then 7 is a prime, 8, 9, 10. So these are the composite numbers. A number which is other than 1 and it should not be a prime number is called as composite numbers. And even numbers, a number which is divisible by 2 is known as even number. That is, divisible by 2 is known as even number. Suppose first 2 by 2, it is getting divisible by 2. The remainder is 0, no? 2 by 2 is, remainder is 0. And 4 by 2 is, remainder is 0. 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. Okay. A number which is divisible by 2 is known as the even number. And odd number is which is not divisible by 2, like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, like this. Okay. And the next is consecutive numbers. So consecutive numbers means like 3, 4, 5. That is, which precedes by 1. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is consecutive. 1 by 1 it is getting increased by 1. So these are all called as consecutive numbers.